New year, new wrap, new mindset. Inozetek, Khaki Green. I'm gonna be talking more about this wrap at the end of the video, but for now, let's head to the start of this video and see what Eamon's doing.
Right, so first things first, we've got Jan's car behind me, giving it a quick wash, ready for the boys to wrap. As you know, any car that comes in Yiannimize has got to be clean.
Okay, so this is Yianni cam, I'm filming this. So the car's in, so things I'm trying to debate on. I've got the arches. Do I wrap them fully? Do I leave them exposed? Do I just leave this little bit on show and wrap this? I'm not sure. The front bumper, it's a massive, massive front bumper. Obviously it's fully PPF in carbon. I know I'm gonna leave things like this. That's gonna stay, that will stay gloss black. That's definitely gonna be wrapped. But I think the carbon things here, they'll all stay. It's just how far you take it. Like even down here, do I make this the color or do I leave it exposed? Wing mirror is definitely gonna stay carbon. Handles I think will definitely stay carbon. For now I'm gonna leave the roof. But what I will do is let me get the team, let me go around the car and discuss it with them. We will get Chris on this to start stripping it. He'll probably start with the handles and the wing mirrors. Right, let me get the team. Yianni cam, done. Loosen the front bumper. I always have them exposed. I think maybe we'll wrap them. Let's work backwards. So let's do bigger pieces first and then see how it looks. And if we have to do more, we'll just keep adding.
Chris, what are we saying? What's your game plan?
We're going to strip the door handles down. We're going to take the wing mirrors off, door cards off.
It's gonna be first Urus in 2021. It looks good in carbon PPF, but this needs a color. Probably me and Nico's gonna start on the rear quarter, doors, wing. We're gonna leave the bonnet at the moment. We're gonna leave the roof. Hope you like this one. Car looks alright, and you see the carbon everywhere now because it's standing out. It's been hard because of the PPF as well. The PPF is a bit thicker and it's like when they put PPF it's right on the edge, so there's some chance that the band is gonna leak. So we have to be careful, make sure we're doing it right.
What do you think of the colour so far?
I think it's looking good,
Yeah.
but yeah, let's wait to finish everything, then we're gonna judge it.
Inozetek Khaki Green. I know it's not the ASHVILLE colours, I know it's not yellow and black.
That is the last colour that I would have expected.
So that means you don't like it?
No, I never said that, never said that. I mean, it's growing on me.
They're going to be wrapped, so I'm going to actually do the arches. Wow.
Do you know what? I never expected it.
Trust me, right now you're thinking, looks a bit weird, and when it's finished you'll be like, wow, that banged. Pause.
Jan, I've said it for a while. I can't do it. Will you put suicide doors on this, Jan? Please. And then we can ride around in it and say, this is how we do.
Probably. The issue is then it limits myself to who I sell the car to afterwards, because you can't just sell it to any old person. Plus you need to see what's involved, because you have to cut some of the wing out. You got, maybe it's not going to be normal door. They're going to come up. They're going to have to come out and then go up.
Excuses. You know, when the man says build my extension, you're not interested in it needs piling and it's raining and you have to dig and you can't fit the digger, cut the hole, make it happen, do the job in it. Jan, what are you saying? Suicide doors on your Urus?
Yes,
Whoa.
and we'll put them on your Rolls Royce Wraith as well.
No, stop all that. My car doesn't even say ASHVILLE anywhere. I don't even drive it. I just walk past in the morning and say, hello sir, how are you? And I just walk past it. I don't do anything with
That's
it.
the level. That's when you got serious P, when you got your car just sitting there, you don't even need to drive it.
Hardly. I walk past it full of mud every day and get in my dirty Discovery and go to work.
So you don't like it? Nico Mark, he doesn't like your work.
I never said I didn't like it. The work is fantastic. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the work.
This is something that I need to decide on. Do we keep the bonnet in carbon?
Keep it carbon.
Keep it carbon. Nico? Carbon? Mark? Huh? Wrap it. Glenn?
Looks pretty calm now, to be honest.
Looks pretty calm now, to be honest. That's Daniel's guy. Hey, put the door down. Where are you going with my door? Hold on.
Let's have a look what these suicide doors will look like.
Jeez. Hey. That'd be sick.
What do we think?
Can I just say something?
Go on.
That's not called a suicide door.
What's it called?
Suicide doors when they open.
Oh yeah, it's true! It's true! Suicide doors on your car!
Yes, that's a Lambo.
That's the Lambo, it's true! I'm listening to it, I didn't even think about it.
Listen, man, I'm not the Cypriot car guy, man. I don't know anything. All I know is that I want the doors to go up.
Daniel, what's your watch on my car?
Bro, I just want the doors to go up, bro.
Please put that in there.
Yeah, I will. Don't worry.
Nah, it's actually alright.
So there it is, guys, my Lamborghini Urus Nero edition wrapped in khaki green. Yes, khaki green is not usually what I go for, however, I want it to be a little bit militant, a little bit different, and I think it looks cool. Let me show you around. Okay, so here it is, this is Yianni cam. So, as you guys know, it's got the full Nero body kit. I've left the carbon bonnet exposed. Just wanted something a little bit different, a bit more angry when it comes down the road. I've tried not to fill the front bumper with too much. A lot of people nowadays will do these in green, or the same colour as the car. I thought, let me leave it exposed. I do like carbon. We've wrapped the arches, but rather than doing the full arch with the carbon there, I've just done the top half and left a little bit exposed here. We've added a gloss black stripe all the way down the side of the car. And obviously you've got to brand everything, so we've added that nice Nero touch. Handles I've left in carbon, including the roof. I've left the roof in carbon and the spoiler. Listen, I can always wrap them after, but for now I thought, let's make it a bit more two-tone. Spoiler here is also carbon, bumper, lower part and diffuser, carbon as well. I'm really pleased. The car is black, so what you'll see that I've done, I've only done the outside only. If this car was white or silver or blue, I would have done inside the door shuts, but when it's black, personally I don't think you need to do it. Plus, you know me, I never keep my wraps for that long. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Nico might had to work a little bit harder than usual because the car is covered in carbon PPF and we'll put the wrap on top. I hope the wrap is going to stay down on the carbon. We're going to find out. Obviously the car's here every day, so I can get the boys to check it. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to check out my personal channel, Yianni, which is around here right now. I guess I'll see you soon. Take care.